amendment being put forward by this referendum will rectify over 120 years of significant and grave oversight we no longer can ignore. Denying our First Nations people in their place in our Constitution is denying them their rightful place in our national identity and history. The passage of this alteration to our Constitution through the referendum on the 14th of October is an endeavour to put the heart in the soul of our country. This disposition of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders' language and cultures and the top-down policy making for Indigenous issues have inflicted deep and continuing wounds on generations of First Nations peoples. Many suffer intergenerational trauma as a result of this history, and it continues to be a bolt on the fabric of this nation. This is not to say we have not attempted to make things better. In 1967, over 90% of Australians voted to count Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples in certain population counts and allow the Commonwealth to make special laws about them. In 1992, the Mabo decision overturned the legal fiction that Australia was terra nullius, that is, territory belonging to none, and legally recognised the relationship of First Nations people to our country. In